Hello. This is my persuasive speech presented by myself, Sydney Weesmore. My persuasive speech is going to be on distant learning versus in school versus in-class learning. As of right now, during 2020 and COVID-19, it's been a very big controversy in the world today. Distant learning pros. Children are able to learn in a stress-free environment. They have less distractions from children and teachers. They're able to use online resources, so if they have different type of questions or anything like that, they can use a tutoring system online. They can use Google and books that are from a library that is suggested. They can complete all their homework over the internet, and it's saved so that children usually lose their homework or their study materials, and that makes it less likely. In-class learning pros. There's teachers and mentors available in person to help with this work. Many children need structure, and school has rules to follow. And if you don't follow them, you can get disciplined. In-person rewards for good compliance with work and activities. So for instance, if you are in kindergarten, first grade, you can get stars or stickers. Extracurricular activities, there's sports, clubs, physical education, music, etc. This helps kids be with one another and learn teamwork. Proctored exams, there's no outside material that can be used to help with exams. So you just have your test and a Scantron or multiple choice sheet that you do, and you don't get any extra material. Distant learning cons. Parents end up being the teachers when they already work and have a busy schedule. Maybe they have more than one child. Materials are taught differently now, such as math. They use Lattice, which I'm even unfamiliar with. Parents are not familiar with how to teach work that they are unknown of. So if I had to teach my child Lattice, I would have to get a tutor for myself because I don't understand it. Structure gets lost, and children have more free time with less parental oversee. So maybe they'll take their time with their homework, or they won't hand it in on time because they know that they might not have to because it's over the internet, when that's not the case. Unproctored exams, so students find ways to cheat using the internet with home exams. Even if they do have an online proctored exam, there's other ways. They can use their phone, they can use an extra tablet to look up information to help with the answers. In-class cons. Students are in stressful environments that can be hard to work in, so some students don't fairly do well in big classrooms. Teachers do not accommodate every child's needs, which can lead to children falling behind. So if a child doesn't read as fast as another child, then that child's going to be left behind, and they're just going to be left behind throughout the year. They're not going to be able to keep up. And also now in the year 2020 with COVID-19, parents are uneasy about children being around others, which is understandable. However, things do have to go back to normal at some point. And that's it. Thank you.